Gardenreet has sent us a big box. Let's see what's in the big box from Gardenreet. Actually, I can show you the black and white picture on the side of the box, except there's a shipping label. And shipping labels get edited. That gets the videos blocked. All right, right off the bat, we got watertight lock wire nuts. Cable. It's a 120 volt transformer. We'll unbox that momentarily. This is a set. Do not separate. But these are brass half lights. I've been very impressed with all of the Gardenreet products that I've worked with so to date. It is metal. That's plastic. It's interesting. The light comes with watertight wire nuts. Oh, check that out. This is going to be bright. Fits in like that. That's awesome. Look at that. Look how, doesn't it look good? We need to see it lit up. It's a nice simple on-off mechanical timer. You have an on-off switch there, 12 and 15 volt. So that side is 12 volt. So if you've got a 15 volt light system, you'd connect to that one. Since we're going to be 12, we're going to connect to that. And that would be your ground and not your common. Off and on. Okay, now let me set it up. I found that pretty well the perfect distance is 3 paces, about 9 feet. Gives you just a little bit of a dim spot between the lights. So if you don't want that dim spot, you'll need to have your lights probably 7 feet apart. That way you get an overlapping light cone. I like these lights a lot. I can't wait until we actually have really nice pathways out here to illuminate. And believe me, believe you me, it's going to be pretty out here. We're going to have a pond, big pond right there. Waterfalls, pathways, retaining wall. Yeah, you know what I mean?